trophies today. Nathan Lehman, 576,000 to 51.4. And that exploding yellow balls of Fury GT3, taking that fourth and final trophy spot where he was yesterday. Ryan Schaefer coming in next, improving by a little over 2 tenths with 50.511. He was fifth on day one, down in Mark Wortham's spot, but now he is third, just 1/10 behind Gregory Lloyd. Who has yet to make his final run, so Gregory could unthrone Sam Strano there as well. Aruk Huntsapaya coming in next, he improves by 0.444, 50.884 on that run. Would have jumped him up into the fourth trophy spot, but picking up a cone near the end of the course. So Aruk Huntsapaya is going to lose that advantage. Gregory Lloyd would have taken the lead with a 50.065 with a half-second improvement, but picking up a cone on the course as well. So Sam Strano looking like he's going to be able to retain that lead due to the cone from